Okay, family. Today is November the 8th, and I'm just doing a garden update because I'm going to drop some seeds. I am in zone 8B, and it is literally 80 degrees, I think, today, overcasty and warm. I am coming out here to clean up these weeds and other things because I want to drop some seeds. So what I'm thinking about, I had corn here in this season, and this is very loose soil. I'm thinking about putting maybe like some root vegetables, carrots, beets, things to that nature here, and some onions. But I haven't decided which I'm going to put here. Okay. This right here is, I think this is rutabaga or radish of some sort. As you can see, the plant is ginormous. It's been so warm. The leaves, it looks like powdery mildew, but I don't think it is. So, but it could be because it's been so humid. It's humid right now. When it's not like that, I've just let this bed go and I'm chopping it down and let the leaves grow up. As you can see, the stalk in there is humongous. So I'm letting the leaves grow, and as they grow, I feed them to the chickens. It is, I don't know, it might be some type of mildew, but I use this as some type of supplemental feed to the chickens. They love it. And in here, see this? Tomatoes. Tomatoes, 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 tomatoes. More tomatoes. Still growing. This season has been a whirlwind. I'm not complaining. I have more tomatoes than I know what to do with, and I'm still going to pull some. And what do I do? A lot of times I'll pull some of the tomatoes out of there, give them to the chickens as a treat. I have a bed here that needs to be cleaned out. It looks like I have some mustard seeds from mustard growing up from last year, which is nice. Here's some more red mustard. I'm going to pull those out too because, again, it's been just so warm and the weather is not conducive to, them staying healthy. So I'm just breaking off those old leaves and throwing them away. I'm still getting eggplant. November. New buds, everything. See this? Eggplant. Eggplant. Eggplant down in there. Okay? This is a bed. This is some type of beet, I think. I'm sure it is. But again, instead of pulling it up, I use the leaves for the chickens. That's spent coriander or cilantro. I'll just let that stay. Cilantro. The seeds, I guess, are called coriander. You can keep the seeds, or you can use those for cooking as well. Here's a collard green plant. Oh, I love that. Tastes really good. Collard green plant that keeps getting cut back and come back up. Still have tons and tons of peppers, even though I've made pepper jelly. Okay. Peppers down here. And this right here, I don't know how this get over here, but some type of bean plant. But anyway, guys, I'm going to get out of here. And I'm just walking through because, again, I'm going to do seeds. I got more peppers over there. And I got new small ones coming up. And this is my flowers. Basil. This is like some wild blackberry. Gotta go. It's popping up everywhere. We got morning glory. And then another volunteer. beans, beans, beans. Oh, morning glory, bean. Still got peppers and beans trying to grow back here. All of this needs to be cleaned out. Oh my gosh. I got a big tomato over here. Look at this. Look at this baby right here. Can you see it? See that? Wow, that's pretty. I'm going to grab that. So, it's not a lot of work to do, but I got to still come up. Volunteer tomatoes. I had onions over here and some wild onions. Looks like onions are starting to grow up over here. But I think I want to clear this bed up and just let it stay dormant, because for 2 seasons I had planted garlic and onions and beets. It's amazing. It's amazing the amount of food you can get from a pack of seed in one plant. I am truly an advocate for growing your own food. And I'm pretty sure I will just let this plant another go. All of these plants, just let them grow until the frost, whenever that'll be. So 3 peppers. So I think the video that I'm gonna put up before this one is about procrastination and complacency. This is what happens when you procrastinate. Although in a way I'm kind of glad that I didn't clean this out or pull all this up, because it is still growing, still producing, and I'm excited about that. So when we'll have a cold front, even the 10-day forecast is only showing about a low of 50. And typically I'm thinking around this time of year we're usually not even 50, maybe 54. But anyway, the days are like in the 70s. So it is unseasonably warm. But again, I'm going to definitely make sure these empty beds before I pull these peppers out. And that little sideline I showed you guys, I'm going to get some seeds down, because we're expecting a little bit of rain. And I want to at least have something in the ground. But I'm going to go ahead and take these 3 beautiful peppers and probably pick some more peppers and more tomatoes. And I'm going to get those seeds in the ground. Keep gardening, guys. And I'm so thankful that I can still pull from my garden. I'm going to just let it grow until the last frost. Thanks for watching.